Yeah, it was discovered in two people, ages 15 and 25, both from New Haven County. These are the first confirmed laboratory cases of the new UK variant, which is likely much more common here in Connecticut, where it has been circulating for months.
If you are diagnosed with COVID in Connecticut, you should assume that there's a good possibility that you have this variant.
The new UK variant of COVID, 50 to 70% more contagious, is here in Connecticut.
It just means be even more careful.
But much more drastic measures are being taken to contain it in the UK.
We must therefore go into a national lockdown.
In the UK, schools were moved to all remote, and people are only allowed to leave the home for essentials.
With every jab that goes into our arms, we are tilting the odds against COVID.
Luckily, that's true across the globe. On Friday, Pfizer announced a new study shows their vaccine still works against the new variant. Dr. Albert Coe told Fox 61 it's not the only mutation.
There's another variant which has another strain in South Africa that has similar types of mutations, not exactly the same, but similar types of mutations, and that seems to be spreading as well.
COVID even mutated when it crossed from China to Europe.
Mutations are a fact of life. They're a fact of life for viruses. They're a fact of life for ourselves.
But what makes this strain more infectious?
There's some inkling that perhaps, people who are infected with this have more viral load or have more virus.
And should we be doing anything different?
So all the things that we've been doing up to now should still work, but they need to be used at a higher level.
And there is no evidence that this strain causes more severe disease. The state of Connecticut is working with the Jackson Laboratories and the Yale School of Medicine to conduct genomic sequencing to identify this virus here in Connecticut, but they also point out they can't possibly test every sample. Reporting outside the Department of Public Health in Hartford, Matt Karen, Fox 61 News.
Interesting.